Hello, Professor. My name is Tianche. Today I will talk about POS, which means P-channel MOSFET. I will explain what it is, how it works, and one application. So, what is POS? A pose is a MOSFET that uses holes to carry current. In most cases, pose is normally off. To turn it on, we make the gate lower than the source. In simple words, gates more negative, pose on. Pose is very important in CMOS circuit. It is usually the pro-up transistor. Now let's look at the structure. A pose is usually made inside an N-wheel. The source and the drain are PS regions. Here is the key part. The gate is separated by a thin oxide layer. Because of this oxide, almost no current goes into the gate, so the input resistance is very high. We have four terminals: gate G, source S, drain D, body B. Usually, we connect body to source to avoid the body diode turning on. Now, how does pulse work? For pulse, we often use VSG, that is VSG equals to Vs minus Vg. If the gate is low, it is low enough, then VSG becomes bigger. When VSG is bigger than the absolute value of VTP, a channel forms under the gate. This channel is made by holes. Then holes can move from source to drain, so current flows. We also use VSD equals to Vs minus Vd. There are three regions. The cutoff, VSG less and equals to the absolute value of VTP, so that off, no channel. The second is linear. Channel is here. It acts as like a resistor. And the third one is saturation. Channel punches off near drain. Current is mainly controlled by the gate. This slide shows the current formulas. We only need the idea. In linear region, the current depends on VSG and VSD, so bigger VSG or VSD cause bigger current. In saturation, the current mainly depends on VSG, so the gate controls the current strongly. Here, Kp is a constant of the device. It depends on mobility, oxide, and the size W over L. If W over L is bigger, the current is bigger. Now, an important application, CMOS inverter. Pulse is at the top, connected to VDD, so pulse is the pull up. When input is low, pulse is on, so output goes to VDD. Output is high. When input is high, pulse become off. NMOS turns on and pulls output to ground, so that output is low. So the output is the opposite of the input. This is why we call it an inverter. Also, CMOS has low static power because usually only one transistor is on. And to sum up, pulse turn on when gate is lower than source. It uses holes as carriers. It has high input resistance and it is very important in CMOS logic circuits. Thank you.